Welcome to Comfort Inn & Suites I-95 Outlet Mall. We're conveniently located off I-95. We're glad you're considering our clean, comfortable, and value-priced hotel for your stay. Explore other convenient locations such as Leitner Museum, Flagler College, Flagler Hospital, Saint Augustine Beaches. And our clean, inviting pool is fun for everyone in your family. You can earn rewards, including free nights and gift cards. Hotel guests will enjoy an array of amenities, including a complimentary full breakfast, and we'll provide a wake-up call so you make it to your obligations on time. Make us your choice for savings and see why so many others come back again and again. www.comfortinn.saintaugustineFL.com